Hey guys, it's Jenna. I'm here today to give you your update from Amazon. So we're going to go ahead and kick it off. So, kind of like everything else going on in the world, it is about just responding to coronavirus, what you should be doing as a seller. So, as I'm sure you guys are seeing within Seller Central, Amazon is coming up with updates at least once a day or maybe once every 2 days. So, there are tons of updates coming in. So, I highly suggest that all of you guys that you're selling on Amazon, you should be going into Seller Central each day to see if there are any updates that revolve around your business, what you're doing, everything like that. So highly suggest that you guys take the time to do that daily. So one big announcement that came last Thursday was from Amazon, basically saying that they are going to go ahead and expand the type of inventory they will be allowing to come into their Amazon warehouses. So this expansion isn't on different categories, different brands, anything like that. It is an item to item decision. So it's not about any categories, but it is something that is based off a few different criteria. So demand of the product, current inventory levels that are at Amazon, inventory that is in transit to Amazon. So maybe you guys sent inventory in before the March 17th deadline, and then also fulfillment center capacity. So essentially what they are doing is they are basically updating everybody if they are able to send inventory in their restock inventory page or in their restock reports. So if you are part of the group that Amazon has expanded and let you send inventory in, you are super lucky. So what we would suggest is if you are looking at your restock reports and Amazon is allowing you to send inventory in, we highly suggest you send that inventory in as soon as possible. As we have seen throughout this whole situation, Amazon is making decisions very quick. And with that, they can always adjust their decisions quick as well. So it makes the most sense to send inventory in as soon as possible if you have that availability. Now, if you are not able to restock right now, if right now you look at your restock report and unfortunately Amazon is not allowing you to send inventory in, that is okay. So what we would suggest for that is go ahead and make sure you have a daily task, whether that is within your Google Calendar or that is something that pops up in Asana. Make sure you have a daily task for yourself to check those restock reports. Amazon should be allowing more and more people to send inventory in. So it is important that you are taking the time to look at those reports every single day so that as soon as you get the green light to send that inventory in, you are sending that inventory in. Now, one really big update actually came this Monday, March 30th. Reports that, from our understanding, one specific warehouse has decided to go on strike, or a handful of employees have decided to go on strike due to just, the situation at the warehouses and their working conditions. So essentially what this is showing us as sellers and everything like that, it's very important now more than ever that you have a backup plan. Right now there's a lot of uncertainty surrounding Amazon FBA warehouses, whether it is this strike that has been talked about or it is the 30-day shipping windows, right? There's a lot of uncertainty around FBA. So it's important now more than ever to look at your other options. And what we mean by that is expanding just that external reach. So you want to make sure, your Shopify is set up. It is important that that is set up and able to take orders. You want to make sure that your warehouse is able to take orders. So let's say you're in a situation where maybe your warehouse was shut down, or maybe you don't have a warehouse. That's okay. There are other options out there for you. You should be researching different warehouse options to either take it on during this time or in the future, right? You want to make sure you have backup options because now more than ever, it's so important to have a backup plan just because this uncertainty. So quite honestly, if you are able to send inventory into Amazon or if you are not able to send inventory to Amazon, doesn't matter. You should have FBM listings created and you should have the ability to fulfill FBM orders, whether you are doing so right now or not, right? Because yes, right now they are accepting people with supplements to send products in. That could change quickly. Workers can go on strike for the Amazon warehouses. really we don't know what could happen, right? So it is important that you have these different precautionary measures lined up for your business so you can stay in stock, so you can be able to provide for your customers, right? That's at the end of the day what we want to see for all of you guys. Now, as far as all these updates, right, we've got a ton coming in. So our team is going to do our very best to make sure we are providing you those updates once we see them. But again, if you are like, where are you getting these updates from? All you have to do is go into Seller Central. It's going to be in the top left-hand corner of your Seller Central portal, and that's where you'll see news. That is where all of those updates are coming in. In addition to that, our team is making sure we're staying up to date as well. So all you have to do is head to turnkeyproductmanagement.com/corona. We are staying up to date, giving you guys the updates from Amazon. And in addition to that, the different strategies we are putting in place to respond to these different updates. Other than that, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much. I hope this video finds you safe and well, and we will chat with you all soon. Thank you.